want to understand at a fundamental level how media slant can shape intra-party conflicts and ideological factions that can capture established parties and transform established parties. There's a strong taste for like-minded political news among TV watchers. Once the movement had fully transitioned into electoral force, Fox News did appear to mobilize critical electoral resources to Tea Party candidates. We actually don't have any concrete evidence at this point that Fox News, or rather exogenous exposure to Fox News, noticeably increased turnout at these Tea Party rallies. It does appear to be the case that as people watch more Fox News, they are more likely to give campaign contributions to Tea Party candidates, whereas this fundraising effect is not precisely estimated for Republican candidates.